Barbie, ang Barbie ang pambansang tinapay. We were able to achieve that by being the #1 Filipino-owned loaf bread manufacturer specific in the supermarket, groceries nationwide. So yeah, I'll continue. As a pioneering Filipino bread brand, Barbie takes pride in its enduring legacy of promoting healthy living through quality and delicious offerings. At the heart of our mission is the Barbie whole wheat bread, a symbol of wholesome nutrition and the perfect partner for those who prioritize wellness in their daily lives. This year, we encourage everyone to make Barbie whole wheat bread a staple while enjoying the rich, satisfying taste from time-honored recipes, quality baking traditions that Filipinos recognize and only Barbie can provide. Also, I'd like to add again, we have this new product called Sugar Wheat, the color blue, if you can see. That's newly launched lang, parang 3 months ago. And then the whole wheat bread, the big size there behind you guys, that all fairly 2 years pa lang. These are packed with protein and fiber, cholesterol-free and zero trans fat. So you can enjoy your journey to healthness without being deprived dun sa enjoy pa rin kayo sa kadakta. Tailor-fit for Filipinos. Let's make 2025 a year of transformative growth and memorable milestone. Together, let's embrace a healthier future and create wholesome beginnings with Barbie whole wheat bread. Enjoy the rest of the afternoon. And guys, for those who have not tried Barbie whole wheat bread or sugar-free, nandun lang yung supermarket sa Landmark. Naka-ready sa inyo naghihintay. Baka may promo pa. So, thank you guys. Please enjoy.